Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking Gloriosa lilies. They're so fabulous, but a little unique. Care and handling, they do well with quick dip. So just putting a little bit in a cup. Then they dehydrate rather quickly, so don't remove the plastic. Leave that on. Remove the lower portion, anything foliage that could get in the water, and give it a quick cut. Dip, and then place it into a storage vessel that's already pre-mixed with flower food. Hydrate in refrigeration, and then after 2 hours, let them drink. Then they're ready to use. When you're going to use them, obviously take the plastic off, and then they tangle so easily, so just shake gently until they loosen up. Shake, shake, shake. And then you're ready to design. Now you know how the pros do it.